Suey. Oh yeah, real vlogger. You got me. Inshallah it doesn't fall out. You see the ball? Look on the D. Hey yo, pause. Look, golazo top bench. Suey.
God damn, this shit is laggy, man.
You can't see the goal?
Check it out. Check out the specs. To see the goal, bro.
I need a cannon. You can see the goal? What you mean?
You got games on your phone?
Look. There you go, now I'm recording. Santiago.
What does he do?
Stinker.
Like I go. Like I go. Watch it. Ready? Messi in the final. Argentina versus Colombia. James. Oh no, I already said Messi. Foul on the play.
Tell me you got my sexy goal on camera. That shit went top bins. Like, no people are saving that.
I think I did.
The side netting. Tell me you got that on cam.
Think so.
Because I know you were scared when the ball was coming towards you.
Let me see a nice goal from here.
Decent. Almost tripped.
Oh no, follow me. Alright, watch this, watch this. He's going top left.
Look, John, this for you.
I can go. I can go. We're safe.
Golazo. He said with me alone.
I got the ball. Ready? Nah, I gave you right here, Santi, right here. To the cameraman. Oh my God.
It slips through the goalie's hands anyway. Oh, man. My toe. Bro, my toe.
Hardcore challenge?
Go, go.
Okay, ready?
You gotta film. Alright, you ready?
Nigga. Skimmer.
That shit did not touch.
You heard it?
That shit didn't
The
touch.
skin.
Alright, watch it, John. It's a real finish right here. Yeah, the camera making me laugh. That shit old as hell.
That shit older than me in this bit. You're a Frank, right? Mashallah. Just hit it again. I said I didn't hit it again? What I tell you? I told you I was gonna hit it again? Or what? This nigga. Oh, skip me.
Look at this beautiful finish.
I heard this game. That was a good finish too, though. Oh my fucking god, Victor. Tackle.
Oh wait, he's tripping. Victor, come back.
It's 30. I'll get 30 with it.
That was not a good finish.
My leg also hurts. Messi. Oh my god. It's because I said Messi.
Baked up. Yo, no littering. Pick up all that. Si sabe que el balón.
Tired, yo. Motherfucking starving. I want to learn how to backflip. John, do you know how to backflip?
Skimmer. I heard it. No. Balls is life.
Oh my god.
Nah, this
Yeah,
nigga
I'm
Alex is
sorry.
on bullshit. Say East Eggs going too crazy.
Oh, coño.
Oh yeah, Chiste, let me see you beat the wall.
Nah, I'll do it.
The wall.
You better not fucking hit me.
Cover your willy good.
I'm covering it.
That's just not going over.
You got that shit? That shit's hilarious.
Oh my god, you're here fucking.
Trying to eat a fucking.
A what?
Wait, I hit it so hard I got
What do you want to eat? Finish that sentence. Finish it. What you want to eat? Who's gonna say I want to eat a Frank?
I want a fucking Frank, you are.
Big ass Frank.
You never filming the good moments, bro.
All right, I'll just leave it on. I'm gonna just have it like this.
Hey, yo.
He filming the moments where he's skying it.
Yo, Alex,
Penis POV.
come.
Yo.
Just like you're not gonna film this golazo.
He's filming it. Yo, you are not filming it correctly. El cameraman. That's golazo too. That's golazo.
Now,
Look, it hit all three posts. 1, 2, 3.
now do a celebration.
Saw that?
What?
Do a celebration now.
It hit that, then it hit that one, then it hit that.
See, do this too.
Alex, have a story time with the camera while you're laying down.
Back in 1987, bro. There's this guy.
Ribcage. That's what's fucking hilarious. Stop it. Puta.
Yo.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, I only got 8 minutes on this shit.
What do you mean?
know,
BK,
wait,
man.
Yeah,
No, what's that?
John, we,
Yo, Alex, go.
John,
Oh, that's a leaf.
John, we here for 8 minutes, yo, until the camera's done.
Yo, is this gonna be a vlog?
Yo, over here they got
Oh, no, we in the video.
Novos,
Yo.
Osos, beer,
How do you?
kangaroo.
Benalos, right? My boy said kangaroo. They only got kangaroos.
They got
at-
lions.
Oh shit, bro, I can't, bro.
They got lions and shit. You know the vibes. You already know.
Where are we? Where are we?
We're in the video.
This is my city right here. I own this shit right here.
Yo, look at me. I'm like the dog. Look.
That shit not even. Look, that shit Yonkers. That's not even the
This-
city.
nah, this is
He's
the city.
cold.
It's
That's not
something.
even the city.
It's something.
This is Yonkers.
Sister, let me find out that's your boat.
Look at the boat. That's a nice ass
How does that
boat.
look?
Yo, you cannot see shit.
Yes, sir.
Yo, it's actually really fucking
Yes,
dark.
sir.
Yo, you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
see shit over there. Yo, Jonathan, they just got in your whip.
Yo, chill.
Nah, it's actually like scary cold. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I can't see anything,
Are
bro.
you scared?
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
This is a camera they have in scary movies.
Sorry.
Yo, look, this.
You know the vibes. Oh, nah.
Oh, he's cold.
If we see un Leatherface, un Jason, I'm
If I see
pissed.
gangueros, boom, motherfucker.
Chill.
I ain't gonna burn.
Chill.
If I
Don't,
see gangueros, I'm jumping over it like this.
Fuck no, you're gonna phone the Hudson River.
The hustle.
And I'm swimming to Yonkers.
Hell no, you getting cancer.
we got the view of the city.
STDs, chlamydia.
COVID.
That radioactive
Oh,
ass
look at that star. Look at that star.
They got Ebola on that water.
Can you see that star?
Nah, hold me
Oh,
up.
you can't.
Oh.
Yo, that star is mad bright.
Yo, shine bright like
Yo.
a diamond.
Yo, that's a star.
Nah, I feel like I'm Jack or what's her name? What's her name from
Titanic?
Yeah. Hold me up, yo.
Hold him, Victor.
Oh, yo.
Victor, hold him for the camera.
Can you feel the love tonight?
Yo, this is yo. It's
No, what's
gonna-
that? What's that? It's a UFO. Oh my god.
First UFO sighting.
Yo, you guys hear that? Yo, I'm scared. Yo, look, I'm shaking. Oh my god. Ah!
The camera falls, it breaks.
Yo, look, it just aims at us and we're just getting murdered. Victor, you good?
Nah, it's dummy cold. I'm not gonna lie.
Not that
Victor,
Nah,
yo, Victor, you good?
it's dummy cold.
Damn, I wish you guys could see though.
Nah, Jonathan got ups from here.
Chill,
Nah, I'm
chill,
too
chill.
sweaty, yo.
Nah, people over there. Don't you see?
Damn.
There's
I look.
There's un hombre durmiendo, right?
No, I would actually run.
Yo, I can actually see it. Look from here.
Throw rocks at that motherfucker.
Yo, look at this. I can actually see it.
Yo, I cannot see.
Dude, I don't know why it smells like Puerto Rico. This is how Puerto Rico smells.
Yo, why are you shaking?
Like the dog.
Let me see your hands. Is it sweaty?
Like the dog.
Yeah. Yo,
Not sweating.
it's sticky.
It's not sweating.
Yo, are we gonna make it into a 5-minute vlog?
I think it's time to go. I'm not gonna lie. Like, comment, subscribe. We out of here.
We out something or we're gonna wait?
Like, comment, subscribe, and we're jumping over next time.
Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll go for a swim in the Hudson River.
All right, look. If I get 5 likes, we're gonna
5
go.
likes.
We're gonna travel to the city. We're gonna go to the city at
Oh, what's that
1
like? What's that
a.m.
like? See that shit?
Which one?
They calling for us over there. Oh no, that's how
look.
those hobos with the barrels.
If Jonathan gets 5 likes, we swim to the city.
Now look at all the lights turning off and on and shit. It's just kind of nice.
Yo, it's actually really cold.
Yo, hay un hombre ahí.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Yo, some motherfucker got this.
No motherfucker. Some African motherfucker just pulls up.
He goes behind me, he's like, hello? That's what I just heard something. I know, I was over
Oh, the ops.
Oh yeah.
Go. Yo, Alex, what they gotta do?
What they gotta do?
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the fucking video.